Today's our topic is explanation and treatment of some important item. Number 1, subscription. Subscription. So what is subscription? It is the main source of income. It is the main source of income of non-profit organization, of NPO. It is the amount paid by the members at regular intervals. As such, subscriptions are treated as revenue receipts, that is income. Subscription is one kind of income and it is a revenue receipts and recorded on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Credit side of income and expenditure account. Care must be taken to take credit for only those subscriptions which are relevant and connected with current year. In income and expenditure account, those subscriptions will be credited that's relevant or connected with the current year. However, a special subscription received should be separated from general subscription. Sometimes a special subscription received should be separated from general subscription. Like a special subscription should be shown on the liabilities side of the balance sheet until they are utilized for a special purpose. A special subscription are meant for a special purpose. Now, calculation of income from subscription. The amount of subscription to be credited to income and expenditure account may be calculated by preparing a statement or also preparing subscription account. It means we have two methods for calculation of subscription. Calculation of subscription. Now see method number 1. By preparing statement method. A statement may be prepared to calculate subscription. Calculation of subscription for the year 2021. This figure, this date I have taken by myself for your understanding. 2021 current year, that is my current year 2021 and previous year will be 2020 and next year will be 2022. Now first of all, particulars amount, that is your calculation, so it is not a prescribed format. We can calculate in any way, it's not depending the format. First of all, total subscription received during current year. So what amount will be here, then write. Next, as per the cash book or receipt and payment account given this amount, so we will here recorded. Next, outstanding subscription for current year. Just I have told to you, current year we have assumed 2021. Now it is going on 2021. So it is current year. If subscription outstanding, then it will be add. It will be add. It will be add plus and less outstanding subscription of previous year. Previous year like 2020. So if outstanding subscription of previous year, then it will be less. That means minus. Number 3, subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance in the last year belonging to current year, then it will be add. That means advance we have got in 2020 for the next year, that means current year, next year my current year, and less subscription received in advance in current year belong to the next year. If current year I have taken advance, then this advance will be adjusted in next year. so that will be subtracted, because we are preparing only 2021, current year 2021. So previous year and current next year will be less. Previous year and current year will be subtracted, but it is a very important thing. Advance 2020, advance 2020 subscriptions in advance for last year belonging to the current year. Suppose that we have imagined 2021 it is a current year, it is our current year. So previous year will be 2020, 2020, this is our previous year, and next year 2022, 2022. Then advance always we give prior date, earlier date. So 2020 advance given for the current year, for the current year. Now we are preparing current year subscription, so it will be add, it will be add. So advance always add previous year advance, advance in the last year, that means previous year, but outstanding previous year will be minus, and outstanding current year will be add, and outstanding subscription received in advance in current year for the next year it will be subtracted. Now it will be calculated your net subscription to be credited to income and expenditure account. Now the second method, by preparing subscription account. Subscription account, outstanding subscription is a asset, it is treated as asset, so it will be recorded to subscription account. Subscription to outstanding subscription account, outstanding subscription in the beginning, beginning means to balance BD, so it is our asset, so it will be treated as debit side, it is our debit side, so it is recorded in debit side. And next here is by balance, that means outstanding subscription account, and it is a end of the year, so it will be buy side, it will be recorded in the buy side, that means credit, buy means credit. And see here advance subscription account, and this is regarding to the advance, it is, so it is a liability, advance always it is a liability, so it will treated as the by balance by advance subscription account, and right here, and the same amount, that means end, beginning here and end here, to advance subscription account, subscription received in advance at the end, that means last, at the last, that means here adjust, and it is your balance figure come to income and expenditure account. If this side figure adjusting, if you will tally, and here come then bank account or cash account. So we have discussed two methods. First is no prescribed format, we will calculate by any way calculation of subscription, and this is a prescribed format. According to this format we will put the value debit and credit side, then our result will become debit side and maybe credit side. Debit side, then you write income and expenditure account, and credit side bank or cash account. Okay, thank you.